Quality engineered from the ground up, proudly made by people with passion, and built tough for years of dependable service. Schwarze Industries offers a wide range of sweeping and surface repair solutions, including parking lot sweepers, municipal street sweepers, airport sweepers, and innovative asphalt maintenance equipment. Every unit is carefully crafted by a team of professionals in Huntsville, Alabama. Beginning in 1974 with its first parking lot sweeper, the company listened to the marketplace and quickly became the choice of contractors and municipalities who demanded sweeping performance and value. Over the years, the product line evolved, and today, Schwarze offers a variety of different units with one just right for your application. Innovations such as GEO controls, 6 Sense, sweeping in reverse, whisper wheel fans, self-cleaning dust separators, and interchangeable conveyors are just some of the features which set Schwarze apart from the competition. Schwarze is also leading the way with innovation in pure vacuum sweeping with the recent launch of the HyperVac. It's changed the game in full-width vacuum sweeping with the latest in debris transfer and dust separation technology for cleaner emissions. There are many features that separate Schwarze from the competition, including performance and customer service. The two go hand in hand. By servicing and listening to the voice of our customers, we understand what our customers expect in sweeping technology. This leads to performance innovation. We see service and support as a cornerstone to every unit we sell. We are a global enterprise with a passionate team ready to offer solutions. Our parts department stocks everything needed to keep your units up and running, and our reconditioning packages provide upgrades to keep your current equipment running like new. Training is also an essential part at Schwarze. In 2013, we opened our training academy. Since then, we've graduated over 600 mechanics, operators, and dealers.
We are the people you know and the products you trust. And those are words we live by. We didn't get there overnight. It took years of listening to the voice of the customer, spending time in the field, watching people operate our equipment, watching people work on our equipment, and understanding how to make their life easier. Those features and benefits are built into our products, and there's no better feeling in the world than seeing customers come up to our newly released products at a trade show and saying, "Hey, I'm glad you guys finally did that." The people part also extends to our trusted dealer network in 5 continents across the world, because local service is key to the first sale to the second sale. The people part also extends to the 200 men and women here in Huntsville, Alabama, where we have built a culture of excellence based on quality and voice of the customer, to where a piece of metal is brought in the door and leaves here as a quality built sweeper, destined to any location across the world. So come visit us in Huntsville, Alabama, where we have a world-class training academy where you spend days hands-on with the equipment, learning the equipment, walking the plant floor, and meeting the men and women and building the relationships that will last a lifetime. We're the people you know and the products you trust. This has made us a leader in the global sweeping industry.
With a global dealer network covering 5 continents, Schwarze is leading the way in performance, value, quality, public safety, and customer support. One example is the A7 Tornado. This 8.4 cubic yard regenerative air street sweeper offers many features like a 90-inch by 36-inch sweeping head, 42-inch recessed gutter brooms, in-cab state-of-the-art controls, and balanced whisper wheel fan. This unit also sweeps in reverse and has a backup camera. It's a heavy-duty unit that has been proven to offer years of dependable service. Another popular unit is the Avalanche. This is a 5 cubic yard mechanical broom street sweeper. Its state-of-the-art controls and LCD display provide operator confidence while delivering outstanding performance. Another feature is the 48-inch dump door, 10-gauge steel hopper, illuminated hopper interior, and a 5-micron water filter system. This proven design is popular with municipalities, delivering performance and value. The SuperVac Gale Force is a powerful combination of performance, versatility, and value. It offers an extended 6-foot 6-inch dumping height, ground level cleanout door lift, 68 horsepower Tier 4 final engine, whisper wheel fan technology, and twin engine power. It's a solid choice for contractor applications like municipal and airport cleanup. The twin-engine SuperVac Updraft is a 2 cubic yard, low-profile parking area sweeper. It is a solidly built unit with stainless steel welded construction, fuel-efficient half-ton V6 chassis, whisper wheel fan technology, and water-cooled electronic fuel injection. Its many features make it a popular choice for contractor work. The Road Patcher repair unit allows for quick pothole repairs without leaving the cab. It delivers heated emulsion mix on demand and efficiently patches roads, allowing for immediate traffic flow upon completion. These are just a few of the solutions offered by Schwarze Industries. Our full line of units can be reviewed on our website. Bring us your challenges. Check out our website for the full range of models and configurations. See your dealer and discover firsthand what contractors, airports, and municipalities have come to learn. Schwarze products are an investment, not an expense. Learn more at schwarze.com.